Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover how to grow Swiss chard from seed to harvest. So this will be a complete guide on growing Swiss chard. So let's get started. You can directly sow Swiss chard right into your ground or into your raised beds. You do not have to grow seedlings indoors because Swiss chard is really fast growing. To grow Swiss chard from seed, just sow the seeds about ½ an inch deep and cover with soil. I always save Swiss chard seed from a previous harvest. This way, I can keep on continuing to grow Swiss chard without buying seeds. Swiss chard germinates quickly in 5 to 7 days. Swiss chard is a cool weather crop. You can grow Swiss chard in fall or in spring. If you get a heavy snow in your area, you must grow Swiss chard in spring and continue growing Swiss chard all the way through summer. If you live in an area where you don't get snow, or even if you get light frost, you can still grow Swiss chard in fall and continue growing all throughout the winter into spring as well. After 2 weeks, Swiss chard has about 5 to 6 leaves and is about 6 inches tall. Swiss chard prefers rich soil amended with compost. However, Swiss chard will grow in any kind of soil. I've tested growing Swiss chard in sandy soil, loamy soil, and even in clay soil, and it does really well in these kind of soils. As a fertilizer, add compost into the soil. It will increase drainage and also add organic matter to the soil. Swiss chard prefers pH of 6.0 to 6.8. You can grow Swiss chard in full sun or partial shade. If you're growing Swiss chard in summer, you must grow Swiss chard in shade. I also made a video of 15 vegetables you can grow in shade as well, so check that out if you're interested. After 3 weeks, Swiss chard has about 8 to 10 leaves and is about 8 to 10 inches tall. As per watering, just keep the soil moist, do not overwater, and do not let the Swiss chard dry out either. After 3 weeks, you can actually start harvesting leaves of Swiss chard. Just take outer perimeter leaves and leaving about 4 to 5 leaves in the middle. After 6 weeks, Swiss chard is about 12 to 16 inches tall, and I've been enjoying Swiss chard leaves sauteed and also in salads as well. Swiss chard is a superfood. It's rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and it's not bitter like kale. So if you don't like kale, Swiss chard is a great substitute. After 3 months, Swiss chard is 18 inches to 2 feet tall. Pests usually don't bother Swiss chard in fall because of the cooler climate. However, if you're growing Swiss chard in summer, you might get cabbage worms into Swiss chard. So to combat cabbage worms, you can use BT spray. I made a separate video on how to use BT spray to get rid of cabbage worms. Check that video out if you're interested. After 4 months, Swiss chard is over 2 feet tall. My Swiss chard is looking very spindly because I've been harvesting leaves on the outer perimeters of Swiss chard, and I'm always leaving about 3 to 4 leaves right in the center. Swiss chard is a biennial crop. It will grow up to 2 years. However, the leaves of Swiss chard are best for eating in the first 6 months of growth. You can keep harvesting these beautiful Swiss chard leaves all throughout the growth of Swiss chard starting at 3 weeks, and you'll have lots of Swiss chard to munch on. You can saute Swiss chard, add them to your salad, and enjoy Swiss chard all throughout the growing season. At the end of the season, you can let your Swiss chard bolt and go to seed. You can collect these seeds to plant next year.
Well, check out the bountiful harvest of all of this beautiful Swiss chard, and this is how you grow lots of Swiss chard. And I'll see you in another video.